Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, I was getting a huge request to flash the OneUI 7 ported ROM on the different mobile phone like Galaxy S10e, Galaxy Note 10 Plus, Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Galaxy S10 Plus, and so on. I was trying harder and harder to get the ROM, and every time after flashing the ROM, if the ROM is getting flashed, but it will have a boot loop or it will straight boot back to TWRP recovery. Well, I face a lot of things like that due flashing the ROM on different mobile phone. Anyhow and anyway, I was getting different ported GSI ROM. I was trying to flash each of it, and finally this is what I got on my Galaxy A73. So the One UI 7 ported ROM from the Galaxy S23 Ultra finally got booted on Galaxy A73. The face unlocking is working with the ROM, and but the biometric is not working with this ROM. Let me show the settings interface. This is what the setting interface currently on my mobile phone. Well, the mobile phone right now is showing Galaxy S23 Ultra, but the model name, if you can see, A736P. This is Galaxy A73. Let me show the mobile phone from the back side. This is what the Galaxy A73 look like from the back side. And if I tap this software information, so this is what I got right now on my Galaxy A73. One UI version 7.0. I got Android 15 and the Play System update is showing 1st October 2024. Baseband is provided and this is the build number ported by the My Stick tag. I just like and I just love the icons, the stock icons coming with the One UI 7, like the dialer icon, the settings icon, and the contacts. Yes, it's look different from the earliest One UI. And also the interface of the control center got changed, which really looking amazing and really looking beautiful. Samsung is providing new things with the coming updates. The notification center and the control center. I got my SIM card insert in this mobile phone. Signals are coming. The network is also connected and working. Surprisingly, the call, like incoming calls and outgoing calls, both are working perfectly with this port. This port will get random reboots. The Samsung DeX is not working. This ported ROM is not coming with any camera application, not even One UI 7 camera. So we can download the third-party camera application to take the pictures and to record videos. And also, this ROM does not have the Samsung Gallery application. So I have downloaded the Google Gallery application, and the videos that I recorded and the pictures that I taken, yes, I can see using the Google Gallery application. Applications that I have downloaded from the Google Play Store after logging in my Gmail account, yes, I do not face any issues using those applications. Those who want to know the banking application, yes, the banking applications are working with the ROM. As far the ROM is not rooted, the banking application will be working. Check out the recent tab, the recent applications windows, the opened applications windows is look like this with the One UI 7 port. Well, someone messaged me to check the YouTube video, to play the YouTube video. Either we are getting the sound playing the video on YouTube or not. So let me show that. Did you know Amir Khan ko Mr. Perfectionist? Sound is so good. Galaxy A73 both speaker working with the ROM. I am waiting to get the stable ported version for the Samsung mobile phones. Well, if I get the GSI stable ported ROM, I will definitely flash, and if I get succeeded, I will bring the video. Right now, if you want to use this ROM on your any mobile phone, or if you have a Galaxy A73, you want to try this ROM, you can comments in comment section, and if I get the comments, definitely I will make another video, tutorial video, how to flash the ROM with the Galaxy A73. And I am trying my best to get this port on other mobile phone also. Like the video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you so much. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.